Hi guys, so if you want to see how you can upload your seesaw video onto Google Slides, these are the steps to do it. So just like how you guys always do, I'm a student, click on that, scan the code, and you're going to pick your name. Today I'm going to be Alexander, and you sign in. And once you're in this portal, you are going to go to the video that you recorded, press these three dots here. You are going to click Share Item, copy the share link, and you can press Control C. Then you're going to go to your Google Slides, press the plus button, click here, and paste the link. Once you paste the link, you are set to go and you have the video up on your Google Slides.